Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Prack and Crack PCM. So this is my first video of my YouTube channel, and today in this video I am going to discuss this question of mathematics from factorization. So this question comes in many exams in subjective and objective competitive exams. So many students find it difficult to solve this kind of question because they have confusion like how to solve x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 by x square. They sometimes use the method of x minus 1 by x square to solve x square minus 1 by x square. So to help them solving it easily, I am going to give the solutions and with explanation to how to solve these questions without any confusion. So let's start. So guys, to solve our first question, which is x minus 1 by x, we should just put the value of x and we will get the answer. So this is not as simple as mentioned here. We should first solve this. So it is given to us as x is equal to 3. So x minus 1 by x will be equal to 3 minus 1 by x, as we will substitute this x with 3 and minus 1 will remain the same. This x will also be substituted by 3. So we have to find the LCM to solve this problem further. So to find the LCM, we should reduce the denominator to 1. So the denominator of 3 is 1 and the denominator of 1 by 3 is 3. So for this we should divide both of them by 3. So we will reduce them to 1. So the LCM is equal to 3 because 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So now 3 is equal to 3 by 1, as we got to know. And to convert the denominator to 3, which is our LCM, we should multiply 3 by 1 with 3. So that will be 3 by 1 into 3 by 3, which is equal to 9 by 3. So now we got that 3 by 1 or 3 is equal to 9 by 3. So this will be equal to 9 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So here both the denominators are same. So 9 minus 1 by 3 will be equal to 8 by 3 because 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Hope that you got the first problem. So now we will move on to the second problem. So our second problem is x square plus 1 by x square. So to solve this problem, we should use an identity, which is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we know that from the question it's given as x is equal to 3 and 1 by x is equal to 1 by 3. Also from our previous question we know that x minus 1 by x is equal to 8 by 3. So when we substitute the value of x and 1 by x as a and b, here a is equal to x and b is equal to 1 by x. So we get the equation as x minus 1 by x whole square, which is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x as minus 2 into a into b, because a is equal to x and b is equal to 1 by x. Also we know that x minus 1 by x is equal to 8 by 3. So x minus 1 by x whole square will be equal to 8 by 3 whole square. So in our next step we get it as x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 is equal to 64 by 9. Now you would be wondering how did I equate it to minus 2 and 8 by 3 becomes 64 by 9. So the answer is here. When x into 1 by x, when we are going to solve it, we will get it as 1 because x and x will get cancelled in both numerator and denominator. Also 8 by 3 whole square will be equal to 8 square divided by 3 square, which is equal to 8 into 8 divided by 3 into 3. Also we know that 8 8s are 64 and 3 3s are 9. So it will become as 64 by 9. In our next step, x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square, which is equal to 64 by 9 plus 2. So this minus 2, when it goes to the RHS, it becomes plus 2. So when we solve this further, so for that we have to find the LCM. Here LCM is equal to 9. So it will be 2 by 1 into 9 into divided by 9. Okay, 2 by 1 into 9 by 9. We are doing this to make the denominator of both the fractions same. So when we multiply this, 9 into 2, which is 9 2s are, it will become as 18, and 9 into 1, which is 9 1s are, it will become as 9. So we get it as 18 by 9. So 64 plus 18 whole divided by 9, which is equal to 82 by 9. So 64 plus 18. So 4 plus 8 is 12. So we will write here as 2 at the ones place, and then tens place is carried. So 1 will be there as carry. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, and 1 carry, so it will be 8. So we get the answer as 82 by 9. So our answer is equal to 82 by 9. This is because here we can see that x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 82 divided by 9. So x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 82 by 9. Thank you. Now we are going to go ahead to solve our third problem. So guys, our third question is x square minus 1 by x square. So to solve this kind of question, we should use a different identity, which is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So x square minus 1 by x square is the expression which we get, because we are going to substitute the value of a as x and b as 1 by x. So a square is going to be x square and b square is going to be 1 by x square, and the sign is substituted here. So this will be equal to x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x, because a is x and b is 1 by x. Similarly here a is x and b is 1 by x, just the sign is being changed from plus to minus. Now we have to find the value of x plus 1 by x, which is also you asked in some of the examinations as only to find x plus 1 by x, and not and we should not find this in the question of x square minus 1 by x square. So I have given it as a different question. So now we have to find it the value of x plus 1 by x, which is equal to 3 plus 1 by 3, because x is equal to 3 and 1 by x is equal to 1 by 3 as given in the question. Now we have to find the LCM of both of these fraction, which is 3. So we have to make the denominator same. Here the denominator of 3 is 1. So we will multiply by 3 in both the numerator and the denominator. So it will become 9 by 3, because 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So we have this expression 9 plus 1 divided by 3. So now when we sum up 9 and 1, we get the answer as 10 by 3. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 10 by 3. So now we know the value of x plus 1 by x, and from our previous question we know the value of x minus 1 by x, which is 8 by 3. So x square minus 1 by x square will be equal to 10 by 3 multiplied by 8 by 3, because x plus 1 by x is 10 by 3 and x minus 1 by x is 8 by 3. So when we multiply both of them, 10 into 8 is equal to 80, and 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So our answer is coming as x square minus 1 by x square is equal to 80 by 9. So guys, if you want me to teach you to solve similar kind of questions but the value of x will be a group of irrational numbers, then you can comment below. Thank you for watching my video and making yourself to learn something. I hope that you have got something new from my video. Please subscribe to my channel as it is a new channel and needs your help and support, and click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.